Alright, so, I can't remember the site. I'll probably put it in the description or whatever that she ordered these, but she ordered muffler delete for her car, and they come polished, but I don't know if I can paint those in between there. They're really tight. I was gonna sand them down and paint them, but I don't know if I can. Just get rid of the polish look. I think I'm gonna anyway, even though they're really tight. But those tips are massive. They're bigger than mine. They actually look good. I think mine can fit inside of them. Yeah. So those are, I don't even know. But this muffler delete was the cheapest one I think you can find online. So 4-inch tips. They look good, but they're just really close. So if you want to paint them, but we're gonna fucking try it. We're gonna scuff them up. I got 120. It's probably gonna take a little bit doing it by hand, but we're gonna scuff up just the tips, paint just the tips, and go from there. So this is something you can do if you want black tips, or if your polished tips get destroyed and you can't polish them out anymore. But usually the polished tips are cheaper when you order them. So you order polished tips, spend $8 on some high heat paint, which I'm using just grill paint. It's made for a grill. Grills get hotter than your muffler tips. If you're doing headers or something, probably look more into something else, but yeah. And then you just grab some tape, which I just got some more because we were running out. Ooh. Stuck together. Puppy dog wants to come outside. I'm gonna go let him out real quick. So, tape it up, make sure you got everything, because obviously I can't. You could also just paint the whole thing too, if you wanted, which would probably end up being easier, but I like the way mine looks, and might as well make hers look somewhat the same. For painting, I'm going to shape this up. Oh my god. Wear your proper PPE and whatnot. Don't paint right next to your car, but I'm just gonna do it freehand. We'll let it air dry a little, and then we'll put another coat on. Hopefully it dries good. It looks like it's, I should have cleaned it, but whatever. I'll try it a little better with the other one. Okay, so we'll let this one dry up a little. Let this one dry up a little. Probably recommend setting it on something so it's not tipping. So we're gonna set it like maybe like that, so it's not tipping. Shit. So I stopped recording because someone stopped by my house and I think I just broke the fucking paint can. You motherfucker. I bullshit. Yep, that's fucked. Well, that sucks. Cap's too fucking tight, so it broke the fucking paint sprayer off and broke the little plastic nozzle. So I guess that's all we're getting for coats on it, which really blows. I wanted to put another one on. We'll look at them, see how they look, and hopefully they look good enough. If they look good enough, we'll fucking run it. If not, I'll have to go spend $7-ish on another can. No, someone stopped by, so I had to give them a quick ride in the car. And then, I figured give them a ride while I waited for this shit to dry a little. Don't look too bad, man. Fucking, I run like bubble runs, but that should go away when the exhaust heat up. Should. So, we'll fucking hope to God it does. But still, for, I think it was like $60 cheaper for it to not be black. So get the polished ones, save 60 bucks. Well, it ended up being like 50 or 55 because you're buying paint to paint it. But if you already have the paint laying around from another project, you know. Kind of like the polished pipe with the black tip. It looks better than I thought it was gonna. Razor blade. And as soon as she gets home, we'll put these on. I wanted to do, so yeah, that looks pretty decent. Oh, we got a little fucking dot there. Well, At least they're easy to fucking touch up. Yeah, I needed to put another coat on, but that'll be fine. We'll be able to touch them up later. Just from it sitting on this. But, whatever. And that's how you do those. Cheapest way, but yeah, as you can see, that snapped off, so I'll have to buy another can before, which kind of sucks because this one's pretty full. And then just hit it again. But yeah, there's some runs in it, but those should go away with heat. Not perfect, but for being the exhaust, it's good. Because if you look at mine aren't perfect either. Mine, because it's a flat black, so like you can tell mine, they're dirty, but you can tell mine aren't fucking perfect either. So we'll go with it. I kind of do like these tips more than mine though, just because they're 4-inch and we'll see how close like they are to the plastic though, because that might be a problem, you know, melting it and shit. But pretty good for $7. I'm not gonna do an install. I might do an install video for it. I don't know if I'm doing an install for the blow-off valve, because I got her the new Turbo Smart one that is not mechanical, it's full electric plug and play. And then I got her a turbo inlet, but I bought her the short one so I can use it with my intake, and then she's going to take my inlet on her car. So I'll probably do just an update video maybe. But see you in the next